Trading Friends Forex Education empathizes with the challenges traders face, acknowledging that 97% of beginners struggle due to a lack of guidance. Our unique approach prioritizes education over flashy promises, providing a transparent view of the trading journey, void of unrealistic gains or get-rich-quick schemes. Engage in our daily Zoom sessions and supportive community to explore trading at your pace, whether you're a novice or aiming to break free from bad habits. In our community, we value diversity in trading levels, respecting each individual's journey. By joining us, you embark on an honest and educational journey where success is cultivated through knowledge, not misleading tactics. Discover a space where your understanding of trading evolves and be part of an environment committed to empowering traders. Join Trading Friends Forex Education for a transformative experience in your trading journey.